So as the world changes, either you have to change with it or you kind of get sucked into it. We have decided to prioritize. My honey's getting my house in order, and we're just rethinking how we do what we do, and I'm going to start documenting that, at least on a monthly basis. About twice a month, early, I will go into Kroger, to see what markdowns they have on me or any other thing. I know this week they're having Chex. I love Chex cereal, so this is one of my mornings. I'm not even gonna pick up an ad. That's how they trap you. And there's really nothing in there I'm pretty sure that I need. I start in the vegetable section because it's right inside the store, and I check to see what salad mixes they have, and they do have some that are marked down. They have a baby arugula, $165, same as the spinach blend. I just saw this. I do like the salad kit, and this one is $220, marked down from $459. When they mark these down, they are close to the best by date, but these salads are very hearty and last. So music back here, so I won't talk much, but I usually make a beeline for the meat section to see if anyone has bought all the markdowns, if they've even put any markdowns out, and they have. So taco meat, $7.14, was $10.95. $21.74, now $13.91. More taco meat is larger, $17.58, now $12.65. Pork chops was $6.30, now $4.08. I'm not seeing any really great deals on this. I'm gonna pass up on meat this week. Running down the cereal aisle to see if they have Chex still on sale. When I was a kid, I used to love the really sweet cereals. Not so much anymore. My adult... Oh, here we are. I need some corn ones, because last time I got some rice ones. I think I can get up to 5 of these. These go through June of 2026. Of course, they're good beyond that, but that's the best by date. Got a few markdowns in the chicken. $16.20 from, I'm not sure what, they covered the sticker. And I usually don't buy that because of the texture. And that's still a little bit pricey for me. And they also have markdowns over on the chicken wings. $9.40 from, again, can't tell what. This is not a bad one. I clean my meat really well anyway and de-skin it and just clean it with vinegar or whatever. But this is $7.75, was $11.96, and that's a big pound of chicken. I mean, a big package of chicken. This is a ground beef, just startled me right now. $27.99 for a 3-pound package. I don't understand it. Do you guys remember when these little things used to be $1, maybe $1.50 for the beef and 99 cents for the ground turkey? I don't see. Here we are. So now they are a ground turkey. Can you see this? $3.99. A small little tube of it. Yeah. I do see this. Is it a great sale? No, but I do absolutely need it, and that is the cottage cheese. I am still meal prepping. I don't know if you guys remember when I bought my upright chest freezer. I absolutely love having meals already made, so I just put them in a container and use those when I need to make lasagna. I don't use the ricotta cheese, and I also need a sour cream. These are $1.99. I do a lot of baked potatoes these days. I don't think eggs will ever be the same price as they were before. However, they have gone down drastically. This week for a sale deal, you get an 18 count for $1.99. But I bought some somewhere else and had a better deal. I'm going to put those away, and I'll show you that later. Bakery section to see if they have any markdowns. I don't feel guilty about this anymore. I used to. I really don't care. This is now $7.97, but I don't like red velvet cake. Oh my goodness, was that really $17.99? It was. I guess that's a good deal for someone who loves it, but I see something down here that's right down. Cheesecake cake, $8.86. $11.10 is close to best by date, and it looks like that was $19.99. Oh, here's one for $6, and it was also $19.99. That's ridiculous. Here's a $6 one with cherry in it. I'm going to get the plain one because I can add whatever I want to it. Okay, so that was it. I am heading to check out and heading home. This is what I'm buying today, and you probably, you won't see me, but I won't go to a grocery store again for like another month unless it's really important. So, sometimes life is a little weird. I'm not even sure what just happened in there. I'm not sure how to take it because it was a blessing to me because he was very kind. My total came to, not sure if you can see that, $34.30. But above that, you will see cabbages. There were 2 heads of cabbage, and it came to $7.97. Well, when I saw the cabbage for the guy behind me, I wanted to do a pay it forward. And I said, can I do a pay it forward for you? He's like, oh, no, ma'am, that's okay. It's like, please let me do it. I was like, just, if you're standing in line and you see somebody behind you and it's a couple of dollars and you can afford to cover, just pay it forward. It's just kind of like a nice thing to do. It kind of makes their day, let them know they're loved. He's like, oh, ma'am, that's okay. I was like, well, it's already paid for. He's like, thank you, ma'am. So he picks up his cabbage and then he drops this in my purse. 2 $5 bills. That's more than it would have cost him to pay for his own cabbage. So many times we run out of the house rushing to help somebody and get in our own way. Sometimes you just need to stop, listen, wait, or accept. Lesson learned. These are ball. These are getting even $13.54. Because the tenderloin was almost 7 pounds, I was able to make 2 fairly good sizes, and I seasoned them differently. Okay, so I had to make a quick Costco run because I have a family member who said they wanted Fruity Body Wash. They will be getting a basket from me. Costco happened to have them on sale for $11.97. The limit was, I forgot whatever, but I picked up 3 and she will be getting a basket. And of course I had to get footage of the fox that lives in my backyard. Now, at first I was upset because I do have my dog Bailey, you guys know Bailey, and I didn't want her to catch germs or fleas or ticks from this fox. However, my dog does go to the vet. She does take heart pills. She is completely okay, and they're never out there at the same time. This fox, however, will keep away snakes, squirrels, chipmunks, and the raccoons out of my attic, so fox can stay. Now, it is so far after Halloween, I can't believe there's still candy here. But at Walgreens, they take their time. 70% off, I bought everything I wanted. Bags that were normally $19.99 were now just $4.50. So I purchased everything I wanted, went through, sorted it, put it in different bags, and I will eat through at my own leisure. So, remember my friendly fox in the backyard? Too bad they don't visit the front yard because I was sitting outside enjoying a beautiful day when I saw 4 snakes, a family of 4, creeping me out. I said, that's it. So I went to Tractor Supply, Ace Hardware, and another store to try to find sulfur. But boom, at Tractor Supply, look what I find. Quart jars, half off. Of course, I tell him to get every single one that they have, and I take it in my cart, and I go home, and that is a win-win for me. So here's a quick check of the receipt. 6 cases regular mouth canning jars. After tax, $42.44. I can't be mad at that. Well, okay, almost a win-win. I forgot I left the house to get sulfur to get rid of the snakes, so I go to Roll King. Not really my favorite store, but neither is Tractor Supply. All they have is this snake away, and it only has 20% sulfur and like 65% other. What the heck is the other? I don't know. Anyway, I end up buying this to get me through, and I just order a big 50-pound bag online, and it should be here any day. And that little venture came to $16.33. And this weekend, we just finished shopping up for our 2 Angel Tree kids, and we are so excited. That's coming up next. Until next time, be happy, be kind, and do something nice for somebody else. Do something nice for yourself.